Email marketing can be a game changer for your business, but only if you have the right tools. So, are you ready to discover the secret weapons of top email marketers? Join us as we uncover the best email marketing tools of 2023 and take your email game to the next level. Hello and welcome to Online Marketing Innovator, the place to learn everything about digital marketing. Today, we're talking about one of the most essential tools for any business: email marketing. Email marketing is crucial for businesses of all sizes because it allows you to connect with your customers, build relationships, and drive sales. But with so many email marketing tools available, it can be challenging to choose the right one. That's why we're here to help. We've compiled a list of the top 8 email marketing tools of 2023. To make the selection process easier, we'll be comparing their features, pricing, and the type of business they are best suited for. The first tool on our list is MailChimp. It's one of the most popular email marketing tools, known for its user-friendly interface, templates, and automation capabilities. Next up is Constant Contact, a tool that offers an easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor, robust reporting, and a wide range of integrations. Aweber is another top email marketing tool that's well regarded for its automation features and email design templates. GetResponse is a comprehensive email marketing solution that includes features like landing pages, webinars, and e-commerce integrations. Campaign Monitor is a sleek and stylish email marketing tool that's ideal for businesses that want to create visually stunning emails. Drip is a powerful email marketing tool that's focused on e-commerce businesses. It includes features like lead scoring, behavioral automation, and split testing. HubSpot is a marketing, sales, and service platform that includes email marketing as one of its many features. It's ideal for businesses that want a comprehensive solution for all their marketing needs. Last but not least is ConvertKit, a tool designed specifically for content creators and bloggers. It offers a range of automation and email marketing features that make it easy for these businesses to connect with their audience. So, which of these email marketing tools is the best? Well, it depends on your specific needs and budget. For example, if you're a small business on a tight budget, MailChimp may be the best option. Let's take a closer look at the features and pricing of each tool. MailChimp offers a free plan for small businesses with limited email sends and limited features, while their premium plans start at $9.99 per month. Constant Contact offers a 60-day free trial, and their plans start at $20 per month. Aweber offers a 30-day free trial, and their plans start at $19 per month. GetResponse offers a 30-day free trial, and their plans start at $15 per month. Campaign Monitor offers a free trial, and their plans start at $9 per month. Drip starts at $19 per month, while HubSpot's free version includes limited email marketing features, and their paid plans start at $50 per month. ConvertKit offers a 14-day free trial, and their plans start at $29 per month. As you can see, there's a wide range of pricing options for each tool, so it's important to choose a tool that fits within your budget and provides the features you need. The best email marketing tool for your business depends on your specific needs and budget. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, there's a tool out there for you. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you to choose the right email marketing tool for your business. Don't forget to try out the tools and leave a comment with your experience. Thank you for watching.